Think you know the world? Think again. Today we are going to explore 20 geography facts that are so insane, so unbelievable, they will literally change how you see the planet. Places that defy logic, countries with secrets you never learned in school, natural wonders that seem like they're straight out of a movie. I was shocked when I found these out, and I bet you will be too. Can you imagine a country bigger than Mexico with absolutely zero rivers? That's Saudi Arabia. This is insane. Canada has more than half of all the natural lakes in the entire world. That's more than every other country combined. In the town of Rjukan, Norway, the sun doesn't rise for 6 months a year. They literally installed giant mirrors on a mountain to reflect sunlight down. Africa is the only continent that is in all 4 hemispheres: northern, southern, eastern, western. It's literally at the center of it all. Point Nemo in the Pacific Ocean is the most remote place on Earth. The closest humans are often astronauts on the International Space Station passing overhead. Alaska is the most northern, western, and eastern state in the U.S. Its Aleutian Islands cross the 180th meridian, putting them in the eastern hemisphere. Mind-blowing. Forget Everest. Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador is actually the closest point on Earth to outer space. The planet bulges at the equator, which gives it a high-altitude advantage. This is like a geographical nesting doll. Lesotho is inside South Africa. Vatican City and San Marino are completely surrounded by Italy, a country inside another country. The Dead Sea isn't just super salty, its shores are the lowest point on Earth's surface, sitting more than 430 meters below sea level. When you think of a desert, you think of sand, right? Well, actually, that's not always the case. Antarctica is the world's largest desert because it gets almost no precipitation. It's a polar desert. The shortest place name in the world is just one letter: A. You can find villages with this name in Norway and Sweden. Russia is so vast that it spans 11 time zones, meaning when it's sunrise in one part, it's already sunset in another. Istanbul, Turkey, is the only city in the world that straddles 2 continents. You can literally have breakfast in Europe, take a ferry, and have lunch in Asia. How cool is that? Get ready for this. In Canada, there's an island in a lake. It's the world's largest geographical recursion. At 4 corners in the USA, you can stand in Arizona, Colorado, New Mexico, and Utah, all at the exact same time. Millions of years ago, the mighty Amazon River flowed in the opposite direction from east to west, emptying into the Pacific Ocean. It completely flipped. The tiny island nation of Nauru is so small it doesn't have an official capital city. It just has a central district. In Australia, there's Lake Hillier that is naturally a vibrant bubblegum pink color. Scientists think it's because of a specific type of algae. The Sargasso Sea is the only sea on Earth with no coastline. It's defined entirely by circulating ocean currents, not land. There's a mountain in Australia named Mount Disappointment. Explorers gave it that name because the view from the summit was blocked by trees and they were, well, disappointed. And that is 20 geography facts that prove the world is way crazier than you ever imagined. How many did you get right? Was your score 0? Or are you a geography genius? For me, it was the fact that the closest people to Point Nemo are often in space. That is just unbelievably insane to think about. Seriously, drop a comment with the fact that blew your mind. I'm reading through every single one. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.